Warning, do not attempt to move on to the next step before you're confident, comfortable, and relaxed with the previous step. I prescribe practicing 3 days a week for maximum results. Alright, welcome back to another episode of Swimology. I am the Swim Doctor, and today we are going to be going over freestyle again. So I know in the last video we went over how to do freestyle side breathing. Now what I taught you thus far was more of an exaggerated version of freestyle and side breathing. Now we're going to refine it a little bit more, and we're going to make it very smooth so that when you're swimming, you're using very little effort to swim. In the last video, I mentioned when you do a side breath, you're supposed to look up to the sky. Now, that's not quite true. What you actually want to do is you want to rotate at more of a 45-degree angle, and you want to get your mouth just above the water. So you're actually gonna be looking a little bit sideways, not so much straight up. So what it should look like is you're gonna be doing the same thing. You're gonna wait until your arm comes all the way back, and then you're going to look up to about right here. Now the water should be about right here up against your mouth, so it should be right there. It should be at the very edge of your mouth. So we're gonna do a little bit of a drawing of what your face should look like when you're doing a side breath. So this is gonna be your head. It's just gonna be a little stick figure drawing. So one arm is all the way back, one arm is forward, and then these are gonna be your legs. Make sure that when you're doing this, your legs are straight and together, unless you're kicking. When you're kicking, remember, like I said, you want to be moving side to side. You don't want, when you're kicking, you don't want your legs to spread out. That's going to keep you off balance, okay? Remember that. So, let's draw a blue line for the water. It's going to be about right here. So you see where the line is? The blue line is representing the water, so that means that half of your head is underwater and all of your body is right at the surface of the water. Now your mouth is gonna be right here. Eyes right here. And then we're gonna do little goggles. So you're gonna be about right there. Your mouth is just above the water line. Okay, little pro tip for you. When you're doing the side breath and you're going to the side, water might get in your mouth. Please do not breathe that in. That's not gonna be fun. What you're gonna wanna do is when you do a side breath in water, and if water gets in your mouth, just go ahead and just spit it out. It's gonna be kind of like what I said before. When you do a side breath, you're gonna be turning to the side and you're gonna be blowing out like you're blowing out a birthday candle. Now what that should do is that should form a bubble around your mouth as you're coming around when you're blowing out. So you want to be blowing out as you're turning, okay? Keep blowing, blow, and then when your mouth comes out, let it all out, or most of it. All right, thanks for watching the video. Again, if you are enjoying what you're seeing, if this is helping you or someone else out, please leave a like and subscribe. All right? It will help me out tons. All right, I'll see you in the next video.